So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Majestic Balewadi 2 which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Majestic Landmarks. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before letting you know details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers and resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. And now talking about the overview of the project, Majestic Balewadi 2 will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 30 floors with 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द लैंड पार्सल और अगर हम लोकेशन और कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे बालेवाड़ी गांव बालेवाड़ी पुणे। और अगर मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में जो रोड जा रहा है उसके लिए आपको मैं बताऊं तो ये डायरेक्टली आपको बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट से कनेक्ट करता है और मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा आपका पूरा लैंड पार्सल। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट एंड लैंड पार्सल तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट राधा चौक विद इन 3.7 किलोमीटर, बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट विद इन 2.4 किलोमीटर एंड बाने डी मार्ट विद इन 3.4 किलोमीटर ऑल्सो। And now coming to the amenities part of the project, Majestic Balewadi 2 has luxurious amenities like swimming pool, gym, indoor games, multi-purpose hall and many more. And now moving forward to the carpet areas of the project, Majestic Balewadi 2 has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences and 3 BHK is starting from 1125 to 1250 square feet and 4 BHK is starting from 1450 to 1625 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share you the actual payment and pricing schemes also and show you the actual location of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Majestic Balewadi 2 which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Majestic Landmarks. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section and for more such videos click on the given below link and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय।
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.